Alright, exploitation again this time. Oh my god. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Stop it, stop on my life. Okay, is this for one? The couple is some metal. Bomber! Our phones? No. The place sure. It's not about it. It's fireworks is talking now. But Earth right down. I'm really sure about that. Read us. It's gonna be alright. Don't talk to me, Ruby. Okay, without the stutters. To read song. Okay. One to click a bounce. Alright, let's go to Harvard. Or is that on the top of the fireworks? Oh, and now we use a card right now. And now the scenes. A new one on. Of course. Because the fireworks, it's time to get more. And now it's time to go to plane to dot on the birds. Wait for me. Yeah, this is to the art. How look over there. Oh no, there's a space portal to the home. A space portal. This baby is giving the image again of them. That's right. Alright. We're gonna fast down right now. This size attack blends, but he is a careful right now. And now, Bob. What? You can't go in there? Okay, I can't hold the word. Oh god. Oh no, he's taking the eggs. Just go. Let's go. Oh, I don't know. I'm not gonna go in. I'm going to. Goodbye. Okay. Ah! Alright, Star, come on. Yeah, to work. Maybe I'm going to. Come on. There is. Maybe you should go tea. This how to look. Maybe. Just trying to. That I going the best. Whoa. Huh? Oh. What the? Oh. Whoa. Oh. 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 Uh. 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 What the heck is this? I don't know. Is there anything can? Watch out, the big one. We're back in the space again. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Wait, how? You okay? Why you have eyes? Because I'm robotic. Because the under eye, look at my beak is a metal, but on their way is a tough flood that I am. So worry all right now. Oh shit. Oh. Get the house first. There's a pod. The space is back. Wait, Matilda, you're different. Why you have a tree? Because I'm a skin toner ninja. Whoa! What does it says? I vacuum myself right now. Wait, you look right like red. Of course. Yeah, this is that, I vacuum the photo speed. Shoot. Okay, the how is different, the motor is different, and Stella is different too. So what the chubby we do now? I don't know, Bomb. Okay. So what's your name? Is a robotic cow. And what is it? My name is Spin Matilda. And I am Super Stella. Super Stella? I am Super Red, but you too like me. So okay. That name is Incredible Terrace. That name is Firebomb. That name is a lightning, a laser, and this iceberg. And me, like you, a name, Super Red. Okay. So, where are the eggs right now? I don't know. I can't understand them. We'll curb my first. A lot of streets. Wait, he's right there. We're gonna save the world right now. Yeah, with your eye. Another 6. Wait, what the? What? Oh no, you can't. And that's that. She did not. I am the Ice Lord. Ice Lord? What the? Bring back the eggs with us. Bring the eggs us. Oh, sorry. This eggs is stuck with this child. Why you have something on the Because the island pig stole my eye. and make a free of the fuck, and then I have this egg, and I gonna. Oh no, he's the surprise! Oh, you idiot! Angry Birds! It's time to get angry. Oh! Alright. System, laser. Oh! There's a big one. Whoa, not today.
Ouch.
Ew! Why you do this to me? Oh! Well, sorry, is that guy? It's Lord, you idiot! And now, what's next? That's just that. Better you guys. Yeah. Got hidden. Got hidden too. I not got hidden. Here what? I'm going to. Oh, Angry Birds assemble. Okay, George. I return champion. Ow. Get out of here. System energy is curve falling out. Alright. That time. Okay, that's it. No. He's strongest. But not today. I shooting my. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sacrificing. That was not some supposed about. And now the real war. Freeze. You create dust. I noticed. What? Huh? Wait, Iceberg? You! What you told Arvidas Salters? Yeah. Wait. Yeah. No, he's afraid right now. Okay. I'm really sure about that. That's also style and the Yoda. Yeah. What about this is Star Wars? You're the friend of that right now. What's that? Oh. Shit, I have something at the. What? What is going on? Ow. Ow. Why are you going at the far? Oh, sorry, bro. I gotta go away. And now, started. Oh shit! I can stop. What is doing about this? Listen. What the? What? Listen. I know you could be fleeced. Wait, what is talking about? What? Because you ruined me. The Pfizer started a line. And then give her all the everything for her. And then you go into the iceberg. You try the iceberg. You can stop with them. It's gonna not be your brother again. How are you doing this? Mr. Pizza, if a lunch you're here and everything you're the pets. It's ruining my life. But now, what? But I'm going to burn at you. Let's destroy him. Yes, you destroy him right now. No, I can't do this. What? Oh. God, Warner's. That one. Wait, shut up. You went out first. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, I guess he is not anyone. Okay, there's the egg. Wait, where are you going? Everyone, follow them. Oh, let's go. Wait for me. Oh no, Dart. Just hurry. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Red. Okay, I go in. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's get fall out. Is this though? Yay. I going to. What sizes stubborn? I'm going to and we meet. I'm going to put dust in. Yes. Behold, my machine. And now, use a stupid thing. But you better hustling everything to the lie. A lies. A lies. A lies. A lies. A lies. A lies. You stupid fools. How you get out here? Because you slaughter the fuck. And you better not be at them. Oh, stop it. I'm a robot. And you're gonna tourist. I go Rocky here. And I'm gonna start to fucking the hall. And I'm gonna order you all the fucking. I got to pay you. And then these fireworks that made it deep in the button. And now I'm gonna have fun out the road. And I'll be doing. Ah! Oh, Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop it. Oh, no, Allah. I even think. Oh, got them. We have the egg. And you stupid. You're retard. I get a horse. I gotta back up and I will be back. Okay, let's go. Let's go back to the portal. The other door is there. Let's go. Wait. There we go. Ooh. Whoops. Put it there. Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me, wait for me, wait for me. There's a dog. He always bangs his fetish. Oh, no, no. Oh, we did it. We're back in the earth. We are back in the fuck hut. Where's the eggs? Right there. I got him. You have two others first, keyboard in the heart. There's swans. He double eye. He bundle eye. King of the lie. Shabby do pissed. Alright. Okay. Now let's get over to our plans. Let's get to the everything is a size. The biggest or what is that? Hollywood. Well, Hollywood. Oh, those are Hollywood. What is Hollywood? You gotta see right there. Right there. You're not gonna forget to get hot pigs. Why is a pig to the hot rod? Maybe there's not half ice. So you ready? Yeah, I get a hot tub. I'm in. Yeah. Okay, Croaky, I think he's good. Sure, I'm gonna complete this. Woo-wee! I'm going to. Okay. Okay, so really is gonna shorten about use it start to have long time is stupid. Let's just go on to. Let's go! Wee, yeah! Yeah! Now first we have to hit this stop. You have to balance the holy one. You have a turn dance. Really sure about that? This is kid folder steel and the curve a long time. Really sure I say. I'm really sure I gonna keep this extra for me. Let's go just run because it's so long to cut the heart. Let's go. And what? How is this possible? Why those birds is alive? That stop a bullet habits. I wanna be society. What is talking up? What are you? You bet his done. We really should that.
Nicole.
Are you
The world order. A long time. Stand. Guys.
What are you talking about? Why you that so for that started a fool's birds killing myself? No, I want everything. And now I need to surprise you.
No.
Wait, I present you this doll. What? Continue.